channel again, and this is my channel, the Bourbon Product Reviews, and we have another new unboxing products for the new unboxing tech, and we're gonna have this first impression and a short review, a quick review for this new tech products that I'm gonna unbox for today. So without further ado, let's get into it and get ready for some new unboxing videos here in my channel, okay? So in this video for today is we're gonna unbox a new tech products, and this is a universal stylus for Android tablet, and I think it is also working in iPad. So let's get into it, okay? So let's gonna start it up, and before I will do this unboxing, make sure that you're gonna hit that subscribe button and smash that like button, okay? Here we go. So here we are, and let's gonna open this up, let's unbox it. So this is the XP dual soft nibs touchscreen, so capacitive stylus pen for smartphone, tablet, and laptop. So let's gonna open this up and let's see what is I'm gonna expect from this. Okay, so there's no box, only as a styro, and yes, it has also a nibs on it. So this is the nibs, and this also wipe, what is this called? Okay, and then let's gonna open this up. So there is a there's also a, what is this? Okay, there's a wipes on it, and there is also a extra nibs. There is also an extra nibs for it, and there is the stylus. And so this is the pen, the stylus pen, and let's see how to use it. After receiving the pen, you can use it with your hands without charging if you want. If you cannot use it after receiving it, yeah. So in here is, generally it is not recommended to replace the nib, and the more you use it, better it will be. So whether to change the spare nib according to their own meds, Apple or part of the table and machine cannot be used. So let's try to use it. Okay, let's step aside this first, and I have my tablet in here, and then this is the nibs. So I don't know what is this. Oh, okay. So let's try. Okay, yes, and it's working. Okay, and let's try some notes. Okay, let's try some notes. So where is the notes? Okay, there's only a memo, but we're gonna use it. So let's let's draw some. Okay, um okay, and yes, it's working. Undo. And so let's gonna try this into the notes. So let's gonna find the memo. Okay, here is the memo of this, and then we gonna write some here, and then let's just click the red. So in here, okay, so there's just a little bit of um what is this, I don't know what it's called, but I think it's okay. So if we're gonna erase it, so that's one, and also we gonna erase all. So let's try another color. So and then try some the little one. So and then also it will also gonna go into the landscape mode like this one. So I'm gonna start it up. So I think it's better, right? So it is good, and you can zoom in, and you can zoom in, and also you can zoom out. So let's erase and erase all, and then I'm gonna try some add another color. So that's better, right? So if we gonna erase it all, that one, and let's try some another color. Yes, that's good, and erase again another color. Yes, that's great. So I'm gonna try this on my iPad if it's working. Okay, and let's try a new one. Okay, and I think it's not working. Okay, it's not working on Apple devices. It's not working on iOS. But yes, but it's working. Yes, it's working, and I think yes, this one, and then uh, it's not responding. So I think it is really not for. I think it's really not for this iPad. So this iPad is an older version. So this is the first generation of the iPad tablet. So I think it is not working. And it's working on my what is this called? It's working on my it's working on my Android tablet. Yes, that's right. You have heard it right. It's it's working in my Android tablet. So let's try again. Okay, let's try. So where's the memo? Okay, this one, the memo, and then we're gonna write. Okay, right. So let's try to erase again. Yes, that's right. So this is right. This is good. So right. And so that was my unboxing and also first impression and quick review of my new stylus pen for my what is this called for my Android tablet Samsung. And yeah, it feels good and really nice. So in it's working and it's really working for it. So I hope you enjoy watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell below so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. So thank you so much and peace out.